Hold on. This is Erica. This is Erica. And this is the diarrhea she made. She took it in a bowl about 2 minutes ago. She was too lazy to use the toilet, so that's the food turds. See the food in there? She totally ate the turds. Here. See, those are peanuts from the airplane that she drove. See the peanuts from the airplane?
It's on your leg.
Oh no! I think that's meatballs.
I want a chocolate chip.
You mean a meatball?
Yeah.
Dude, look at this. Is it okay? Like, can you eat your own diarrhea? Now she has to water it down. Go ahead, take another swig.
Shut up.
Check this out, man. That's pure chicken breast. This is gonna go on YouTube. And she mixes it like a pro. Like she's been doing this all her life. Look, it's kind of watery. And here she goes for her third bite.
Oh shit, it's coming out the bowl. Oh, I just cussed.
Yum.